Hello everyone! Today we're heading to... Hi! This is Tati. If I'm gonna get paid from YouTube, I'm gonna pay you.
Of course.
So today we're going to the Pisa tower.
All of us.
Today's group of people.
Italy, baby.
Italy.
Hi.
Introduce yourself, please.
Me? No, I'm so shy and cannot say nothing.
And minivan.
Woof. Like going here, guys.
C'è una pineta, si fa circa 200 metri.
So how it's mentioned, we have to take either a train or we can rent a car or something like that to go to the Pisa Tower. It's a little bit far away, so we have to figure out now what we're gonna do.
Usually when I get in this, say I'm driving. Nobody will want to sit there.
How is it? Alina, also. Carrara, this, like this.
Yes.
Yeah. Alina, come on. Oh yeah.
Nice to meet you.
To the left, your left.
Oh!
This way?
To the left.
We are so
Nancy, which way?
Yeah, this. No, from the other side, like this. Try. And to the left. Ah, yeah, that's right.
Why these people? They celebrate that it's to the left. Okay. Now where?
Now we need to walk from Tarara to I forget this train station. San Saroiri, something like that. It took around how many minutes?
30 minutes.
30
Maybe.
minutes to, yeah, it's not a half an hour.
Yeah.
So it was so quick. Now we have whole day ahead of us. As you can see from far distance, you can see the Pisa Tower. Yeah, from the train station it took us like 10-15 minutes of walking. Yeah, let's enjoy another adventure in Italy. Oh, by the way, it's so hot. It's so hot.
This one.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Okay, put the for this one a little bit down. Yes.
Got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're with my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last.
Hi, it's me. Hi.
Quattro formaggi.
It's just cheese.
You chose one that is just cheese?
No, she, because she cannot
okay.
eat pork. But we are gonna do sausage and
No worries.
just in case.
Just in case we miss.
Now I repeat, okay. 6 Aperol Spritz, 2 still water, 4 Coke Zero, 1 Pisa Quattro Stagione, 1 Coke Pro Formaggi, 2 Salsiccia Toscana, 1 prosciutto crudo.
Sì.
No, due
One Chianti, sì, due. Chiantigena con patata fritta a parte, prosciutto crudo.
Sì,
Posto?
a posto.
Grazie.
Grazie mille.
Can take back this one?
We need a picture of with all of us having a with this.
And the tower.
And the tower. That would be awesome. Oh, maybe. Oh, damn. Maybe we can go out and have a drink outside. That's too much, maybe.
One.
Oh my
Yes.
god.
Thank you.
Yeah, baby, cheers. Cheers. Ooh, maybe I have to take a picture of it.
Tan, tan.
I don't need to take a picture of it.
Selfie.
But this will be my first time getting this.
I'm so hungry for some reason.
Yeah.
Because we didn't eat anything all day.
Ah, you didn't. Where's the cook?
I didn't have that, even that one.
Really?
Did you order another pizza?
No.
Oh, so these are two types of honey.
Yes. And eat.
So let's just split up.
Yeah. There you go.
Everyone has a piece?
Yeah.
So let me try
Have
this.
you got pizza?
Here.
Oh my
What
god.
is this?
Honey. But that is different honey.
Try this
Deep
one,
in,
then.
deep
Everybody's
in,
trying
yes.
that.
Take it a nice bounce, yes.
What is this, Parmigiano?
This is pecorino.
Pecorino. Sorry.
Huh?
I've never tried this.
Uh-huh.
It's my first time trying this. No,
Salty and sweet.
Oh my
You don't
god.
like it?
no, yeah.
I love
I like this one
That
more.
one more, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4.
I don't want more juice.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Perfect.
I love full of calories.
Amazing.
I love it.
Let's try this then.
I like that honey more than this one.
And
Eh?
this one?
Yeah.
This
Because
honey?
yeah, it's more fruity. It's more
Yeah.
fruity.
That one
No.
is really
Oh.
good.
Wow.
How are you feeling, guys?
Full.
Full? Happy?
Really happy.
How's to eat pizza in Pisa?
Oh yeah,
Nice.
that's a true thing.
Pizza
Huh?
y pizza.
Yes, we did it, though. We did it. We did it, sweetie. We eat a pizza in Pisa.
Good. Good for you.
Grazie. Sei italiana? Ah, allora parli bene anche inglese allora.
Fabio, can you do it again?
1, 2, 3. Buon pomeriggio Italia!
Something Italian.
Something Italian.
What?
Oh, what an amazing day, guys. Eating pizza in Pisa, traveling around the world, seeing beautiful places, and actually getting paid. It's really amazing. What I can say, come to work in cruise ships, and if you're lucky enough, you're gonna get these destinations, this itinerary, you're gonna be good. So now we're heading back to our home, the Vision of the Seas, and see you in the next videos. I hope you like the video, and see you guys.
Around the corner.
6 minutes past 4, is that the way?
I think so, yeah.
10 minutes.
Yeah. Italia è possibile verificare il diritto all'indennità secondo il modello di calcolo definito dalla delibera AT 106/2018. Informazioni e limitazioni sono disponibili su www.trenitalia.com presso le principali biglietterie e agenzie di viaggio abilitate.
You going to Pisa?
Yeah.
Hi. Give me the camera. Hi. Hi. Hot.
So hot.
That's hot. They both hot. Welcome back to Vision of the Sea! Yes! Yes! That's the vibe!
We're excited!
I mean, I'm gonna work in 2 hours, but yes! Yes! Okay.
Oh no. So now we see what you wanted?
Yes. Surprise, surprise, Lewis, I'm back!
Surprise. Oh, that's why you said it's gonna work.
Yes, yes, I saw you last night, yes.